Alright, so currently I'm on this trade, alright, and I'm gonna show you guys the reason why I'm on the trade. And um if you're also watching this video right now, you can just join in on the buys, right? So basically this is Euro AUD, alright, and let's come to the higher time frame, right? So I use the 4 hour for my buyers, alright. So basically, if you see, the market has been on a bullish trend for long. So if you look at it from this down, right, you can see higher high. Oh, sorry guys, let's come back here. So you're gonna see higher high, right here, higher low, higher high again. You can see pull back, another, higher high right here, another pull back, another one, pull back, another one right here. Then this is another pull back to this point. All right, now that is basically on a very bullish trend, and it's reacting from a very short a weekly demand zone right here. You can see where it tapped into this weekly demand zone here. So market have been in a very bearish trend. So when it taps into this weekly demand zone or that block, right, it starts pushing up. All right, so it has about 2 weeks buys now. So now when you come to the daily as well, it is still a bullish trend, right? So now let's come to the 4 hour, right? You can see the structure. If you also zoom into the 1 hour time frame, you're actually going to see the structure very clear right here. So I've been buying this market for the past 2 weeks now. You can see all my buys. I've been buying it for long now. Okay, so now today when I checked my 15 minutes, right, and they see that the market wants to buy from this zone. So the reason why I took this trade is this, right? I'm going to give you guys these concepts. Now if you check, you're going to see all these places you are seeing this blue box. So this blue box here simply means my Asian range. Now let's go to yesterday and see what happened yesterday. All right, so yesterday this same thing happened, right? Now this particular box, which is Asian range, simply means I think 1 p.m. in the night to around 5 o'clock a.m. in the morning. That is when your Asian range is actually mostly time is a range, right? It's Asian, right? Now once market opens, what happens is that if market's supposed to buy, now this way I use this particular strategies to trade, right? I will need to understand the higher time frame buyers. So if the market is actually on an uptrend, I would like that after the Asian range has been opened, all right, like this way you are seeing right here now. Or let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, so this way you are seeing over here. After this Asian range has ranged here, so once markets open, like the London session open in the morning, I would like to see the Asian range push below. All right, push below to take liquidity below the Asian. If I am in an uptrend, then I'll be confident to take the market to the upside. I hope that makes sense. That's what I like to see. All right, anytime I'm trading the Asian range, right, I would like to see this thing if the market is an uptrend, right? Now you can see yesterday the same thing happened yesterday. When the market opened, it decided to push below, right? It pushes below right here, taking this low we are seeing over here, and then reverse to the upside. Okay, simple, right? So if I've taken this particular trade right here yesterday, I'm making money, right? Now the same thing happened today again. It's what's happening right now. Let me show you what I mean. So over here you can see that the market came and take out this Asian range low. So how to get your entry is very simple. If you are looking at it at the 15 minutes and you're not seeing any entry, you come below to the 5 minutes. Take note, you don't just enter any trade like that, right? There must be something that's going to trigger you, or you want to say something. So if you check clearly on the 5 minutes, this is yesterday price action, right? The market is doing a lower low, lower high. So from here you can see a lower low, lower high, as you can see from here, lower low, lower highs. Market is pretty lower low, lower highs here as it keep coming down. All right, now when it goes to this point here, what did it do? Market shifted from being a lower market. You can see when it comes from here now, it drop, okay, goes high, drop again, stop liquidity right here, and shifted to the upside. Then if I think this one has just a sweep, you can still wait for market to push up here and break this high. As they break this high, then it comes back here to this breaker block here. You can join the entry from here to the upside. You can see from that point, markets keep buying for the whole of yesterday. It was just buy going up. All right, but your target should be just this Asian range high. If you are taking this particular strategy, you should be targeting this high. This high here, liquidity is here. Target this high, and you are okay. Now let's go to today. What's happening now on the charts? You can see the same thing happened right here. So when the market opened, when I come this morning, what I see is that the market has taken out the same Asian range low liquidity right here. So the next thing available is the market should target this Asian range high. Right? Coupled with the fact that the market is also on overall uptrend. Do you understand? So this is what you should be. This is what I looked out for. So once I saw this thing in the morning, I came to 55 minutes for me to pick my entry. Right? What I see is that you can see lower low, lower high at this point. Or let me show you guys. You can see this from here. It drop again. All right, and boom, after taking out this particular Asian range and also this other low here, these are liquidity points. Market has grabbed this liquidity right here, and also this Asian range low coming right here, and I see a massive push to the upside, which shows me a clear market shift in to the upside right here. Then I targeted this particular breaker block here. That's when I pick my entry. You can see pick my entry right here now, and I'm targeting what? The Asian range highs, which is right here. Targeting this high right here. Okay, it can still blast up and start going, but then again, you just have to be very conservative in the market. You understand, and take what you have seen and go. So once market clear this high, it can reverse that back down or continue pushing up. The way yesterday will continue pushing up. You can see it continue pushing up from here. It can continue pushing up from there as well, or a reverse down, right? Then your stop loss just being below this particular place. Simple. You don't have to do much. All right. So, and this is giving me about a risk reward, that is 1:4 risk reward ratio. So I'm risking about, what's my risk here? I'm risking about 15 pips, and I'm trying to make 72 pips right there. So just this simple, very clean. All right. This is still in the loaner session that I'm doing this. Okay. And this is how I look at for my trade every single day. You can see I'm pushing very, very neat and clean. All right. It can still come to my stop loss. That's trades, right? At least you need to understand why we're taking a particular trade, and this is on the 5 minutes time frame. All right, you can see it 5 minutes time frame. All right, so that's where I got my entry, and let's see how it goes. If it goes my take profit, right, I'm going to share it on my Telegram. So you just have to join my Telegram to see the full outcome of this trade. Okay, you join my Telegram, the link in the description of this video. All right, so I hope you guys learned from this video. If you do, just give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next upload, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.